Hi everybody, this is Robin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And welcome to you all you new subscribers. And welcome back all my regular subscribers. This is what sold on eBay for April 12th. April 12th through the 18th, 2021. And up first, let me tell you first. I didn't sell a whole lot this week because I was in eBay jail, because I went to list Flonase and they said I forgot to go back in and check off international sales. And I could have swore I went back in and checked off international sales, but they said I didn't. So I was out of eBay for like 7 days. Don't make the same mistake as I did. Make sure that any over-the-counter medications, you go back and you make sure you take off international sales or you'll get in trouble. So I have another eBay account, so I put those Flonase over on the other eBay account and sold them like that. So I still made some money. So let's get into what sold, what I did get sold. Okay, up first is Dr. Scholl's high heel relief inserts. I sold them for $10.29, and after eBay costs and the shipping, I made $5.21. And up next is this dress. It's a to-buy women's size medium skater party dress. Had it for quite a while. I had it on Poshmark for a while, didn't sell. I've had it on here for a long time. Then I put it in my clearance boutique, and it eventually sold. And I sold it for $11.66. I do believe it was on sale at the time. And after eBay costs and the shipping, I made $5.54. So I made my money back out of it. I got it from a local thrift store. And up next, I got these in my most recent Wholesale Ninja box. And I sold them for $8.39. They were on sale. And after eBay costs and shipping, didn't make my money back at all. You live and you learn. I made 85 cents. Hey, it's better than nothing though. And then I sold these three Senecots, I guess that's how you pronounce them, dual laxative. I sold them for $13.05, and after eBay costs and the shipping, I made $5.08. These came from a Wholesale Ninja box a while back. Takes a little while, but it's worth the wait. And then I sold both of these for 20 bucks. And after eBay costs and the shipping, I made $13.41 on two of them. And then I got this. This is a 5-piece home collection coffee time, 2 dish towels, 2 dishcloths, and a drying mat. I got these at the Dollar Tree, and I should have charged a little bit more because I didn't make my money back on all of it. I sold it for $13.90. And after eBay costs and the shipping, I made $2.68. Should have charged a little bit more for that. I'll remember the next time. And then I sold G for men. Yes, I put an I instead of an O for men. Ultra limited edition men's fragrance. I sold this for $18.60. And after eBay costs and the shipping, because it had to go ground shipping, I made $7.05. Not too bad. That was a trash rescue. It was a dumpster rescue. And this came from that USA makeup box. And I sold it for $6.50. And after eBay costs and shipping, I made a big whopping 68 cents. Oh well, it's better than nothing, you know. If I would have had more, and it would add up, but I only had one. So you live and you learn, but every penny counts, right? And up next are 3 packs of 3 Kleenexes. And I still have about half the box left to sell of these things. I sold these for $9.96. So I think they were on sale. And after eBay costs and shipping costs, I made $4.86. Now I found this whole box unopened in a dumpster, so it was a dumpster rescue. Nothing wrong with them. They were still sealed. The box wasn't open. No, nothing. It was case packed. Might as well make some money off of it, right? All right. Up next is 2 Burt's Bees Eye Cream. It's from my most recent Wholesale Ninja box. And after eBay costs and shipping, oh wait a minute, I sold these. I'm getting ahead of myself. I sold these for $11.72. And after eBay costs and shipping, I made $2.85. I'll be sure and mark them up next time so I can make more of my money back. And then up next, every time I get this product, it sells like that. I wish I would get more, but every box I get from Wholesale Ninjas, I only get 2 of the day creams, or no, night creams, and about 4 of the eye creams. And these sell really quick for me. I sold these for a best offer of $15. And after eBay costs and shipping, I made $5.36. And a couple more things. Okay, these are the Flonaises that I got in trouble with. But I went and put them on my other eBay account. And they sold real fast. And I sold them for the $17.95 with free shipping. And after eBay costs and shipping costs, I made $7.08 on these. And then the next one is a single Flonase, because this was a 60 meter spray. The other ones was they were 140, I guess, sprays. So this one here I sold on my other eBay account. I sold that one for $9.99. And after eBay costs and shipping, I made $2.61. And these came from my last Wholesale Ninja box. Now, I sold 3 things on Facebook Marketplace. I sold this box of Pamper sensitive wipes. There was, I think, 8 packs of them in there. And I sold them for $10. And the lady already paid me. She's going to pick them up tomorrow because she's out of town. And I got lucky and I got these. Found them. That made my money off of them. Free money. And these tables, I finally sold these after they've been on Facebook Marketplace for about 2 months, I think. I finally sold the whole set of 4 with the holder there. And it was still brand new in the box. Still had that plastic stuff around it and everything. And I sold these for $40. And we sat and we talked for a while. She was great. And then up next is I sold this Toastmaster, like a Keurig coffee maker. It's real nice and small, very nice space saver when you want to have a coffee maker. I sold this for $10. So all together with my eBay sales, which was low because I was in eBay jail for a week, drove me crazy. Don't want to ever do that again. I don't really like selling over-the-counter medications because of that. Because if you make one little boo-boo and you forget to take that off the international sales, it doesn't take them long to you out. So I have learned my lesson big time. No more of that. Any more of my over-the-counter medications I'm going to put over in my other eBay account. So this one here won't get messed up. Anywho, I have it written down here. So just on my eBay sales, because, you know, towards the end of my 7-day suspension, my sales went. So I'm only made $63.26 on my eBay account. But on my Facebook, I made $60. So altogether between eBay and Facebook, I made $123.26 this week. I would have made more if I wasn't in eBay jail. So just remember, people, all my eBayers that sell over-the-counter stuff, remember, mark off international sales on every medication just to be safe. And if that little thing pops up when you go to hit submit or whatever that is, and there's a little thing that comes up and it tells you to make sure of your expiration dates and all that stuff, even if it doesn't say anything about international sales, go back and click no international sales. Now, I know that sometimes some makeup, that little thing will pop up and I read it. I read it from top to bottom, making sure everything is okay. And if it says it cannot be sold out of the United States or in the UK, I go back in and I mark off no selling out of the country. So please remember that. And all you new eBayers that are getting into this kind of category, watch out. Make sure you turn off the international sales on your over-the-counter medications, just to be on the safe side. Just giving y'all a warning, a nice friendly warning. Okay, this is the end. These are the sales for, like I said, April 12th through the 18th, 2021. I hope you enjoyed my little what sold on eBay. I hope you return and keep coming back. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. Hit the bell button so you'll be notified when I show up again. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.